Hello, everyone. I'm excited for a new semester at the University of Arkansas Monticello, and I hope everyone is enjoying their spring semester of teaching. My name is Grant Hudson. I am currently a business teacher and the head football coach at Decatur High School in Arkansas. It is almost as northwest Arkansas as you can get. Um, just right on the border of the Missouri state line. I really enjoy the kids. I really enjoy the kids there, and have had a great first 6 months. Some of the hobbies that I include are one, playing sports, two, hanging out with my fiance. I just recently got engaged, and I'm getting married in 5 months, so most of my time is spent with her. And then um, I like to play video games. That's something that I'm interested in. Another thing that I'd be interested in, other than teaching business and helping my kids, would be I really like Greek mythology and um, like the samurai code. I'm really into history and the history of like war. Uh, it's a little nerdy of me, but I really enjoy it. Um, this class is about disciplinary learning, and one thing that I believe that is important is that disciplinary learning focuses on the content, knowledge, experience, and skills. And it's merged with the ability to read, write, listen, speak, and think critically to give context to the given field. So for business, that would be about using specific terms in economics, like the product development phases, in a meaningful way so that students are prepared for the next level and um, maybe ready to take on either post-secondary education or specifically be put right into the workforce. I'm excited for the rest of the semester, and I look forward to hearing the rest of your stories. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for your time.